we would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor Moose, who partnered with us to make this video. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at OONIES, where you inflate, stick, and create for ages 5 and up. And today, we are going to do something really special with these OONIES. We are going to use them to create Easter decorations. Yay! So this is the OONIES Inflator Starter Pack. On the back of the box, it says, OONIES are the coolest way to create anything you can imagine. Using the OONIES Inflator, you can inflate OONIES that magically stick together and make a universe of creations. It's super easy and super fun. Just inflate them, stick them together, then decorate with OONIE Deco Bits. Create an ocean scene, a jungle of wild animals, a sword or some ice cream. Play games, throw them, or even just pop them. If you think it, you can make it with OONIES. Inside, there is 1 OONIES Inflator, 36 OONIE pellets, 6 OONIE connectors, 18 OONIE Deco Bits, 6 display connectors, 12 OONIE eyes, and instructions. Whew. The OONIE Starter Pack has everything you need to make awesome OONIES with enough pellets to make 6 OONIE designs. And to add to the fun, there are a bunch of theme packs to create your own Ooniverse, including the newest pack, Fantasy Friends Theme Pack, which lets you create a range of creatures: unicorns, dragons, griffins, and more. You know how I love unicorns! Okay, I am so excited! Let's get started! Out of the box, the OONIES are super squishy and a little sticky. To make the OONIES, first, open the OONIES chamber, push the gauge up, place a pellet inside, close the chamber, push the gauge until it clicks, place it back on top of the inflator, turn to lock it, press the locking lever to the down position, pull up the gauge, then pump the handle to watch it grow. And the gauge tells you what size OONIE you are making. Unlock, turn, and open the chamber to remove your OONIE. These are miniature balloons. They stick to each other so you can make amazing creatures and designs. No glue, no water, no mess. Just air-filled balls of amazing fun. Okay, you know I gotta try out this Fantasy Friends theme pack, 'cause I need a unicorn! The theme packs require the OONIES Inflator that comes with the starter pack. I'm using 3 blue pellets, inflate them, I put them together using the connectors. I need 1 more on the bottom, like that. These are some of the OONIE Deco Bits. I use scissors to cut off the ones that I want. Then let's decorate. My magical OONIE unicorn! It's an OONIcorn! We love that you can also make your own unique OONIE creations outside of the theme packs. And with Easter right around the corner, we are excited to make our own DIY Easter decorations using OONIES. You know, the capsule by itself without the base does look like a miniature Easter egg. We can spread the inflated OONIES around for a colorful Easter OONIE hunt. Stick several together. to make a uni balloon archway. We can use some of the deco bits
The love you find you won't be able to deny. Just take
to make chicks, a bunny, and for a little challenge, use the unis and the connectors to make a small circle, build up, placing connectors between each piece, use them to make an arch, to make a basket to hold our unis. Unis are the coolest way to create. Take a pellet, place it in the inflator, and watch it magically grow into an uni. Thank you for joining us while we made some uni Easter decorations. Let us know what creations you will make with unis in the comments down below. And once again, we would like to give a special thank you to our sponsor Moose for helping us to make this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.